Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a bike that continues to blur the lines between sporty performance and cruiser comfort. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first big bike or an experienced rider seeking a daily cruiser with attitude, the Vulcan S is worth your attention. Evolution of the Vulcan S. The Vulcan S has been around for nearly a decade, gaining a loyal following thanks to its unique blend of cruiser ergonomics and sport bike DNA. The 2025 model carries that legacy forward with subtle refinements, ensuring it stays relevant in a competitive middleweight market. Kawasaki has not revolutionized the platform, but the updates this year are thoughtful, and they aim to enhance rider experience and modernize aesthetics without compromising the core of what makes the Vulcan S special. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Vulcan S remains Kawasaki's proven 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the Ninja 650. This liquid-cooled, DOHC engine produces around 61 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque, offering smooth, predictable power delivery. In the 2025 model, Kawasaki has slightly retuned the ECU for better throttle response in lower gears and improved fuel efficiency, especially during urban rides. This engine doesn't scream like a supersport, nor should it. It pulls with a linear torque curve, perfect for city commuting and weekend cruises. It's responsive enough for spirited riding, but also forgiving for new riders learning to master throttle control. Ergonomics and comfort. One of the Vulcan S's biggest strengths is its ErgoFit system, a customizable setup that allows riders to adjust foot peg position, handlebar reach, and seat height to suit different body types. This makes it incredibly accessible for shorter and taller riders alike. The 2025 Vulcan S continues to offer a relaxed riding position, low seat height at around 27.8 inches, and forward-set foot controls that add to the cruiser appeal. For longer rides, Kawasaki has slightly improved seat padding and reshaped the handle grips to reduce fatigue. Whether you're commuting to work or riding across states, the Vulcan S delivers comfort mile after mile. Design and styling. Visually, the 2025 Vulcan S keeps its aggressive, urban-inspired cruiser look with a few modern touches. A new LED headlight with integrated DRLs gives it a sharper front end, while revised color schemes, including a matte graphite gray and a deep metallic blue, give the bike a fresh personality. The minimalist rear end, teardrop tank, and exposed frame continue to make the Vulcan stand out from traditional bulky cruisers. Kawasaki hasn't gone overboard with chrome or fake nostalgia. This bike is modern, clean, and slightly rebellious. Technology and features. While the Vulcan S is not overloaded with tech, the ride quality and handling. Thanks to its sport bike-derived chassis and low center of gravity, the Vulcan S handles exceptionally well for a cruiser. The 2025 model retains its 41mm front forks and preload adjustable rear monoshock, tuned for both stability and flexibility. In corners, the bike feels planted and confident. You can lean it far more than you'd expect from a cruiser. And with its relatively light curb weight of around 229 kilograms, 505 pounds, it's easy to maneuver at low speeds or in parking lots. Who is the Vulcan S for? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a fantastic option for riders who want the look and comfort of a cruiser but don't want to compromise on agility or performance. It's beginner-friendly without being boring. It's stylish without being flashy. And most importantly, it's adaptable to a wide range of riders thanks to its ergonomic flexibility. If you're transitioning from a smaller bike or even considering switching from a naked or sport bike to something more relaxed, the Vulcan S offers a middle ground that's hard to beat. Final verdict. To wrap up, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S remains one of the most versatile and thoughtfully designed middleweight cruisers on the market. It doesn't chase trends or try to be something it's not. Instead, it continues to refine a proven formula that works, blending comfort, performance, and unique styling into a compelling package. At a competitive price point and with a proven track record, the Vulcan S is still a top recommendation from us at Bike Zone Pro. Outro, subscribe for more. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more real-world reviews and motorcycle content. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next ride. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and stay curious.